Ever wondered about the impact of the cooking oils you use on your health? The truth is, the choice of oil can make a significant difference to your well-being. Today, we dive into the world of cooking oils, exploring the good, the bad, and the ugly. Imagine a bottle of gleaming golden olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, the crown jewel of Mediterranean cuisine, is packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These elements help to diminish inflammation and decrease the risk of heart disease. It's a choice that not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also boosts your health. Then, there's the Luxurious Avocado Oil. Like olive oil, it's loaded with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. These nutrients promote heart health and glowing skin. Avocado oil is a fantastic option for those who want to infuse their meals with a touch of indulgence without compromising on health. Moving on to a more contentious contender, coconut oil. Despite its popularity in certain circles, it's essential to remember that coconut oil is high in saturated fats. This can cause an increase in LDL cholesterol levels, potentially leading to heart issues. Therefore, use coconut oil sparingly. Turning our attention to vegetable oils such as soybean, corn, and canola oil, we find a less positive picture. Often highly processed, these oils may contain unhealthy trans fats. Regular consumption can contribute to inflammation and heighten the risk of heart disease. But the absolute worst offenders are the oils labeled partially hydrogenated. These are the arch villains of the cooking oil world. Laden with trans fats, they're linked to a host of health problems and diseases. Steer clear of these at all times. To sum up, it's clear that not all cooking oils are equal. Some, like olive and avocado oil, offer substantial health benefits. Others, like coconut oil, should be used with caution. And a few, like those containing trans fats, should be avoided altogether. Remember, the oil you choose can have a profound impact on your health. So choose wisely and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned for more health insights, and remember, your well-being is worth investing in.